Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add preview image in video in Avada theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using video element. Now click on it. So we edit our video. So scroll down. Now you see preview image. So we are going to upload image. So basically this is our video thumbnail. So click on upload image. So you can select image from media or you can upload image from your system. Now upload file, select file. So this is our image. Now select, open. Now image is uploading and then you see insert into page. So click on it. Now you see image preview edit. So click on save and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see preview image edit in video in Avada theme. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.